Hi boss, this is Maya from Audio Sources. Today, let me show you how we can show the quality for the motorcycle Carplay screen. This is our IQC department. For all of our raw materials will be tested in here, such as cameras, screen, mainboards, and cables will be tested here. Here is the assembly process. We are using the professional depassing to keep waterproof effect. For each productions, we will do high-low temperature testing, vibration testing, waterproof testing. For now, we are making high-low temperature testing. Now we are doing low temperature testing. For now, we are doing vibration test. For now, we are doing waterproof testing. After making the waterproof test, now we are in aging room. All models will keep to work over 4 hours. After finish the aging, then our QC will test all functions and parts one by one. For now, we are testing wireless. Wireless and auto. Then we will test TPMS. Before shipment, we will pick up FQC standard to test all functions again. Would you like to order? Please contact me. See you!